Welcome to the life of a restarting entrepreneur. This is the Binangonan Regional Trial Court in Rizal, which two of my criminal cases is still ongoing since 2019. Ang tagal, no? Ganun talaga katagal ang proseso ng hustisya. From all the losses I had with 15 lawsuits and failed businesses, I know these are just lessons and setbacks. My delays are God's protection and preparation. People betrayed me and people left me, and it has to happen for my transition to be able to move to a higher purpose. Then came the dreams, the visions, the 3 a.m. wake-up calls. Now I understand. I chose to forgive and I chose to believe again. The struggles and pain I went through, mahirap paniwalaan paano ko siya kinaya. It was God's grace all along and His favor that I made it this far. God's timing is never late. It is always perfect. I chose to refocus and rebuild because God will never plant a vision in my heart and in my mind if He has no plans to bring them to fruition. Let me tell you my story. Join me in this journey, the rise, the fall, and the comeback.